I have a challenge for you. I challenge you not to talk for the next 24 hours while we're on this road trip, and I will give you all $100. Wait, so how's it going? You almost laughed.
Hi guys, it's Rykel. So we are on a road trip. I woke up at 3:30.
Oh yeah? I beat you. I woke up at 2:30.
And Shay woke up at what time? 4. So I'm like really hyper in the car. I haven't had any breakfast because I wasn't really hungry at 3 in the morning. I wasn't hungry.
But now I'm starving.
Me and Shay didn't eat, so we're just like hyper. We have the tablet, so.
Stop messing with your brother.
Beep, 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 beep.
Rykel!
Beep.
Stop it!
Hey, Dad.
What?
Beep. Beep.
That's it.
Beep.
Rykel, I have a challenge for you. Okay. Would you like $100?
Woo! Yes.
I challenge you not to talk for the next 24 hours while we're on this road trip, and I will give you all $100.
Wait, so now.
Oh! No!
Wow.
No! Oh, that's it. Okay? No
Wait, so the
noises,
rules.
no vocality,
so-
no more vocals. If your vocal cords vibrate at all, you owe me $100. So, when we go to your orthodontic appointment, when we do everything and he asks you how you feel, you have to either wink, raise an eyebrow, or you can do your eyebrow wave, or you can cry, but no whimpering, no laughing, no weird noises in the car. Ah! Ah! That's the most annoying sound in the world, and that's from the movie Dumb and Dumber. He's riding in the car and he goes, "Hey, you wanna hear the most annoying sound in the world?" He's like, "Yeah." He's like, "Oh! Ah!" That's what he does. It's amazing. So, that's the key. $100 to me or $100 to you. Let's see how this goes. Rykel? Rykel? Hey. Oh! Aren't these slippery stairs? Right, aren't they? Like, believe it?
You're supposed to say sorry.
Okay, so rack it off. Yes. Okay, is it that same one that we struggle? Don't. You're fine. Just leave them. That we struggle with. Okay. Well, good. At least that one's staying on for us, right? Oh, in the front top. Okay. 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 I'm gonna go ahead and take your wires all the way out, let you brush and floss, and we'll do your appointment today, okay? Since it's been so smart.
Only ones I would trust. Yes.
So how's it going? Oh, I was hoping you'd talk. Have they asked you any questions you haven't been able to answer yet? Really? Have you been able to like thumbs up or thumbs down or an okay sign or what? Oh. You almost laughed.
And you're set. You want a wheel? Do you need a wheel or do you need to spin? Spin. Yep, go ahead. Yep, you're good. Go ahead and spin.
Welcome back to Shay's new channel. Rykel can't deny me. I've tried just a tap for this awesome trivia game. We ran out of lives, guys. I'm the best guesser, I promise you. I've gotten like almost everything right, except for the time I said Amy, Rykel, I promise that I'll get it right. And then she got mad with me, faces, but not words.
We're at food, and this one is still mute. Unless, of course, you want to pay me, then you can eat and do all your sorts of stuff, right? No? Are you sure? Come on. Okay. Well, you gotta tell her what you want for breakfast. What are we at? Lunch? We're at lunch now. Let's do lunch.
Good luck.
Wait, what did you... What? Okay. So you're shaking it 8 times. They want to like multiply that. What do you want? Tell her.
12 count or 8 count?
Did I hear you?
1, 2, 3.
Look, it's so close you can just point. Hurry! There's 100 people waiting.
She's doing good.
Oh, I forgot they had that lemonade. That's good. I want to get a bunch of shakes. Okay, you're done? You're done? You're done. Oh. Yes.
So 2 Chick-fil-A blocks.
You have to do the sign of that. I don't think people understand that. What does that animal do?
A buffalo?
Come on. No. Oh, Shay gave it away. You are lucky. I have no idea what she's saying.
Sorry, what?
Sorry. Okay, 3, 2. Saying, have you ever met any thieves?
I'll eat if I need
Okay guys, we are on our way home and we found an emu and os. Oh, did you hear that? Ah, he's gonna eat me. He was like, hi, you're so scary. Shh, don't do that. Oh my gosh, it's a rooster. No, it's not. Yeah, it is. Ah, don't do that, that's so bad. Look, it's like feathers are weird. It looks so fluffy, I wanna cuddle it. Shut up, Jay, you're embarrassing. I don't know you, go away. Look, he's chasing the rooster.
So, did you like this video? How did you enjoy it? Wow, that camera's really close. There we go. Did you like this, or is this a pain? Yeah? Okay, well, everybody, Rykel won. She made it through all the different things. We tried to get her to talk. We tried to get her to make noises. She didn't, so... Still no noises.
I can talk! Yes!
There it is.
I'm gonna annoy you all day tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna annoy him all day tomorrow. It actually smells really good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Give a big thumbs up, subscribe down below. Always be yourself, be unique, guys. No matter how awkward you are, always be yourself. Don't ever be afraid to show who you truly are. Because I'm so awkward, I'm showing it all for you guys. And I really hope you like that. Smash that subscribe button, or else I will not do another challenge. That's it, guys. I'm trying to beat Clay, guys. I need some help. Well, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys. I should do like a shopping spree.